We would like to invite everybody to open house on January the 19th. It's from 5:30 to 7:30. They get to go around the whole school, like tour around the whole school and get to see all the labs. Our labs will be open and both of the instructors will be here. We will also be having some students doing some demos at a time, just different things that we're going to be building in so that the students get to see what is that we do here.
So, an open house at Prosser is basically students and guardians and families can come. They give themselves a self guided tour and they're able to get information from teachers and current students. You're going to learn so much, whatever program that you do. And the teachers here, they all care for you so much. And I've learned that a lot. And I just go for it. You don't have anything to lose. I've gained confidence, a lot of confidence. I used to be really nervous public speaking, and now I actually kind of enjoy it. Mainly confidence is a huge one I've gained.
I really love entrepreneurship and any of the programs at Prosser. I would say it really, a kid can walk out that same day and use something that's practical, it's real world, it's relevant, hands-on. And so that's really what I love, that we're in each of the programs here, they're giving students tools to basically impact their lives immediately. They can go out, learn a new trade, learn how to run a business, if they want to go into law enforcement. So it's real world applicable skills that they're learning on a daily basis.
Honestly, I really have enjoyed these last couple months of Prosser. I've really got to dive into just the professional side of culinary. I've done a lot of cooking whenever I was like my childhood and that kind of thing. But I got involved into the culinary arts program because I just really needed something that would give me a purpose outside of just education. Um, it has a lot of skills that you need to go into the real world, cooking, cleanliness, everything like that. Especially hospitality is a huge part of culinary, and it just helps like drive home your person skills and everything like that.
It's a wonderful opportunity to come in and join the program because we learn just not only like culinary skills, but also like basic like life skills. So we would like to have everybody over, and we can't wait to meet you.